Clickets review. Hey guys and girls, this is Nahu from nahudaran.com. So in this video, I'm going to reviewing the product called the Clickets from Jason Fulton, right? So if you're looking to earn money online without selling anything, this particular product is claiming it has fulfilled your expectation from this. So where this software, you can create the funnel within the 30 seconds. With that funnel you don't need to sell anything. So without selling you can earn money up to $100 per day, right? So let's have a look at the members area of this Clickits and how it is working. Everything we will see in this video, right? So this is the members area of the Clickits. So here in the dashboard it has some welcome message and traffic states it's given here, and also in the campaign section we can either create the new campaign or we can manage the campaigns that has already created, right? So just say for example, these are all the campaigns which has created via this Clickits, right? So this is on weight loss niche, and this one on the make money online. This is again that affiliate marketing, and this one is for that e-commerce kind of thing, right? So if you see here, this all of the videos which is not belongs to you, so you can hijack the other people videos and create the campaigns inside the Clickits on your own and earn money if someone coming here and seeing your video and clicking any of the links. So for clicking the link itself you can earn money, but here for clicking the link itself it needs you should have that Google AdSense account, that active account, right? So let's have a look at the members area right now. Okay, so here, so if I go to that manage campaigns, I can able to see that all of the campaigns that I have created previously. So I create the new campaign here, and if I click the create new, I can able to create the new campaign. Here I need to give the campaign name and video title and the YouTube video, which as I can hijack from other people's video, or I can upload that MP4 video itself. Just say for example, if I click the YouTube video and I can search on the YouTube, just like that, make money online, and click the search. Just put money and click the search. So that list of videos is coming here, that any video I can simply use this. Just say for example I use this video, I just select it, then that video is selected, and I can use the custom thumbnail here. I can search the thumbnail from Pixabay. By doing this I just simply enter that money and click the search. Sorry, click the search, then that list of images is coming here. In that I simply select this, right? That's it. So that image is coming here. This is the thumbnail of the video which I have created, and here that video accents, this is the thing from which you can earn money, right? So if I choose the accent, you can able to choose that image ads, Google video ads, CTAs, buy buttons, and opt-in forms. So if you choose that Google video ads, this is something that vendor is claiming you can earn money without selling anything. When the people click the link on your video you can earn money. So if you want to do the thing, you need to choose this Google video ads category. Once you click the Google video ads, you need to put your advertising link and advertising vast tag. This thing you can grab from your Google AdSense account itself, right? And the video accents, what the accents you want to do, everything else we can do it. and the autoplay or create the playlist, and you can change the background color, text color, and the description. If you want to put on that page, then you can put it, right? So once you've done everything, if you click the publish, that page will be published. So you don't need to have the web hosting account itself. The click itself, it's hosting your page, and you simply drive the traffic to their to that page. You can earn money. The traffic itself is inbuilt in the clickets. For that, you need to buy one of their OTOs, right? We will see that what are all the OTOs are available in a little bit later. So this is something you are interested to purchase. I have created some special bonus page and given the link down below this video YouTube description box. If you click that link, it will take you to my bonus page that exactly look like this. So in this bonus page, I have given the information about the clickets. You can read it on your own time, and also you can find this yes order now button in various places on my bonus page. When you click this yes order now button, it will take you to the sales page of Clickits where you can purchase that Clickits. Right? When you purchase the Clickits like this way, you will get all of my bonuses as 100% as a free of cost. Right? Let's have a look at the what are all the bonuses I'm offering you for the Clickits. So for that, I just simply click this claim my bonus now button on my bonus page. It will directly take me to the bonus part of my Clickits bonuses, right? So here all of the bonuses are my exclusive bonuses. When I said exclusive, you can feel free to shop around and find what other marketers are offering the bonuses for Clickits, and you can find my bonuses are unique. So when you find my bonuses are unique, you can always come back to my bonus page by clicking the link that I have given down below and come to my bonus page and purchase that Clickits by clicking the yes order now button, right? So this is my bonus number one for Clickits is you will get 10 done for you digital products with the resell rights. It includes the sales page and opt-in page and the product itself, everything it's there. You can simply start selling this 10 done for you digital products to your customers or visitors, right? And my bonus number two for Clickits is the 3D product cover maker. It's a free 3D product cover maker. So if you are selling the digital product online, you should display your product logo or something else in the bundled manner. So this particular software will give you that option. This is the web-based software. You don't need to install anything on this. And my bonus number three for Clickits is the headline creator that sell like hotcake. So this is also a web-based product. You don't need to install anything. So you can use this bonus to increase the click-through ratio on your email and your blog post or whatever things you are using for the headline. You can use this software, right? And my bonus number four for Clickits is the you can access how and where to sell these 10 done for you digital products what I have given, right? So this particular bonus will teach you where you can sell these 10 done for you digital bonuses, digital products, and how you can earn money and big commissions via that. You can learn from this bonus. And my bonus number five is you can access all of the vendor bonuses, right? So hope you all love the all of my bonuses. Let's assume you have purchased the Clickits by clicking the link that I have given down below and come to my bonus page and click the yes order now button and go to the sales page of Clickits and you purchase the Clickits. Then how you will get all of my bonuses I have mentioned just now. It's very simple. After you purchase the Clickits, you just go to the Warrior Plus purchase receipt page, that page that exactly look like this. So in this page you can find the button called that access affiliate bonus. When you click this button, all of the bonuses what I have mentioned just now will be delivered instantly. This is easy peasy. You don't need to contact any more else, right? So let's have a look at the pricing of the Clickits. For that, I simply little bit scroll up on my bonus page. So here the pricing of that Clickits is I have given here, right? The front end is comes with a $19 and unlimited edition as a OTO 1 for 37 and OTO 2 is a done for you affiliate profits for $197, OTO3 that automation for 47, and the Diamond Traffic Edition as a OTO4 for 67, and that OTO5 is a no computer paydays edition for 77, and the license rights for $147. I have given the bullet points for each and every OTOs and front end, what it has, the features and limitations. So you can come to my bonus page by clicking the link that I have given down below and read it on your own time to understand more, right? So right guys, so with that said, I'm wrapping up. So if you are like this video, please click the like button down below this video, and if you have any query, then please use the comment section down below. I will answering you individually. So of course, if you are watching my video as a very first time, and if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please press the red subscribe button down below this video YouTube, and make sure you have switched on the notification bell button, so that every time I go live or I uploaded a video, you will get a notification. Okay, all right guys, here Nahu from nahudharan.com signing off. Bye bye.